morning, everyone! So exactly a year ago, I decided to teach myself how to crochet. And as every beginner knows, in whatever hobby you start small, right? Wrong. So this was the project that I chose for myself. It was an oversized cardigan. And little did I know that in different countries, their yarn measurement sizes are different. And I think I followed a European pattern that I found, or maybe, I don't know, from whatever country it was. And I'm in US. But like mid-project, I realized that I'm using like 3 times thicker yarn than I need. And so this already oversized cardigan turned out humongous. I put so much effort and so many hours into this project, and I really like the colors. I think it's really pretty, but I really want to wear it. So this is how it looks right now. Pretty chunky, see? And it's kind of hard to move my hands. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna make the sleeves like this big. Yeah, but breakfast first. Alright, let's begin. So the hardest part will be here to at least find the ends. Why do I feel like there shouldn't be as many knots as there are here? Okay. Nah. Just don't eat it. Are you eating it? No. So, this is not going the way I expected it to go because I already had to use scissors like 2 or 3 times. Yeah, that's not what I expected. I had to chop off some pieces, and now for the last hour, I did this. So I guess I will see you in one eternity when I will finish at least one sleeve. I can't believe I thought this was a one-day work. Did you like my sticker? I call Lumille because this is my kid Lumi. He's kind of a seal. This is Lumille. You can get these stickers on the Etsy shop. Link below. Hey, this is the next day. I got distracted yesterday because we had a new piece of furniture arriving and we were building it for like the rest of the day. So I managed to detach 2 sleeves and I had to do a bit of cutting. And I have a feeling I cut something wrong. Maybe more than once. We'll leave that behind for now. I cut this at the beginning here. I got too excited and I lost the ends. I found one. I'm having a little lunch break. This is pineapples. I'm done finding all those yarn ends. I just need to undo, this is the back. So I need to undo probably like 16 rows. No, 16 times 2, 32 rows on this back piece. And I'll be done with undoing it. I will do the measurements again. I'm sorry, this might be loud, but my cat right now is enjoying the window view and I just cannot take it from him. And we close to a road. So yeah, the cars may be loud. They are loud, to be honest, and it's very annoying. But oh well. And also, yeah, I changed because for the first time in like a week we get some sunlight, and it's hot. It's so big. Done. Okay, I got distracted, but now I need to do the last part before actually connecting the pieces. I gotta do their, I think it's called the ribbing. Well, basically I need to do their slip stitch along the sides of these side and back panels. I already did it on my sleeves, and yeah, I can start connecting everything back. Let's go. Okay, I think today's the day where we finally finish it. So, this is where I'm at right now. I connected the front and back panels, and I did the rims right here, and on the other side. Yeah, because I want to so the stitching could be visible, but will be the same color as the sleeves. I also did this rims here. So right now, all I need to do is still probably will take me a few hours to connect the sleeves and then connect the outer edge of everything on both sides. And to do the edge, the front edge here. So we can do a couple rows. And yeah, and I'll be done. Again. I think I made it too tight. You can barely stick my hook in there. It's gonna take forever. Okay, I ditched everything, and it's time to try it on. By the way, yes, this is a different day because little ADHD me, or big ADHD me, got distracted with I don't even remember what. And it's a couple days later. I still have some things to take it, but look at that! So the only last thing I guess too is obviously to tack all the loose ends in, and then I need to do their rim around, and I'll be done. This is my least favorite part. Just so boring. This is my spot. Go in your flower. Oh! It went into his little cave. Bunny? Oh, you're adorable. Anyway, back to business. I actually already filmed the outro and I thought I'm done, but then I looked at it and I decided to do the rim a little bit thicker. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then there will be a final reveal. I feel like I'm never gonna finish this. Like, I felt that I'm so close to finishing the project. Like, I don't know how many times at this point, and I'm not even counting like this whole session. And I honestly thought I'm gonna do it in like 2 days, but it's been like a week this time. And don't even get me started again on like a year ago when I was working on this cardigan. I'm so sleepy, and also today's a sunny day. It's making me sleepy. Gray days make me sleepy, sunny days make me sleepy. I think just life makes me sleepy, you know? And also I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast today because I'm waiting for my husband to go back from his flying. He's a pilot student. He's flying an actual plane. And I was watching him on the flight radar earlier. It was alright, I guess. He was just flying in loops. Not as exciting. Just don't talk about it. But yeah, and I'm waiting for him so we can have breakfast together. And also for him to make that breakfast. Look at it. This is how curled it is originally. And then I did a couple steaming motions and it's flat. What? Okay, I'm done. Let's see the damage. Oh, this was funny. Look at this one. This is so cool. It almost looks like a sponge. Well, now it's time to try it on. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, it's not perfect because it should be shorter, but with removing rows, I could not really make it shorter here because originally I believe the pattern should be like this. Maybe I can just cut it off and somehow combine it. Wait, no, not now. I just want to be done with this project. Right, Lemmy? What do you think? He hates it. Well, I'm officially calling this project done for now. So you like and subscribe if you liked it, or if you like Lumi, he's the star here. Sit, good boy. Back to business. Like, subscribe if you liked it. I'm a multi-passionate artist, so I have just too many hobbies and I just like making stuff. So it won't be just crocheting on this channel. It's gonna be a lot of different things because I just like trying things out. I don't know what this is. Bye!